Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 21st of March. Tomorrow's weather map shows us a cold front clearing the southeastern parts of the country. Showers and storms still impacting parts of Victoria and New South Wales as this system moves off the east coast. We've got a ridge of high pressure pushing in quickly behind that cold front, however, which means a quick return to more settled weather across the south. In the north, we're going to see showers and storms continuing through the course of tomorrow, with a low pressure trough, this blue dashed line, drawing moisture in from the tropics and feeding it into that shower and storm activity. It could extend as far south as central Australia through the course of tomorrow. Let's take a state-by-state look at all of that now, starting with Queensland. For Queensland on Friday, we are expecting showers and thunderstorms across northern and western parts of the state. Generally low to moderate rainfall totals, although we could see some higher rainfall totals with any storms that do develop. Higher falls are also possible about the northeast tropical coast between Cairns and Townsville, associated with those days of heavy rain and flooding that we've seen in the area. In fact, we've issued a dedicated severe weather update video for the flooding situation about the northeast tropical coast, so you can find all the details around that situation in our other video. Further through the southeast, it is going to be a mostly settled day, although we will see a few coastal showers lingering. For Brisbane, we could see a shower or two tomorrow with a top of 30 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms are expected across much of the state as a low pressure trough and the tail end of that cold front move through those eastern areas. Now, the cold front and the southerly wind change associated with that front are likely to move up the south coast tomorrow morning, reaching the Illawarra tomorrow afternoon and Sydney and the central coast later tomorrow evening. We're going to see the storms on and ahead of this front. Generally, rainfall totals are going to be low to moderate, but we could see some locally high rainfall totals with storms, particularly through the southeast, about the ranges, slopes and plains, and about the south coast. For Sydney, the forecast tomorrow has a shower or two developing with a top of 28 degrees. Down in Canberra, a shower or two with a top of 26. In Victoria tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms will continue to impact eastern parts of the state, with the risk of heavy falls continuing about the northeast ranges through the morning period. A few lighter showers lingering around Melbourne and in the south through the course of tomorrow morning, but they'll start clearing up as the day progresses with a mostly settled afternoon. For Melbourne, we're going to see that shower or two clearing through the morning with a top of 20 degrees on the way. Down in Tasmania, showers are likely to clear those northeastern parts of the state through the morning, with gusty winds easing back as well. Generally, a dry day is expected, although it will continue partly cloudy for most areas. We may see a light shower or two redeveloping about the west coast later on. For Hobart, we are looking at a partly cloudy day with a top of 20 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, a few light, patchy showers across southeastern parts of the state, clearing quickly through the morning period to dry, sunny conditions. We are going to see a few showers and storms across northern parts of the state throughout the day, although generally low rainfall totals are expected. For Adelaide, we're expecting to see cloud clearing tomorrow with a top of 25 degrees on the way. In Western Australia, generally settled conditions across the southwest land division. Sunny conditions, dry conditions, and a little bit of warmth as well. Perth is heading for a sunny top of 31 degrees. Further north though, across those northern districts and through the eastern and inland parts, showers and storms are on the forecast, although rainfall totals will be fairly low away from the Kimberley. We could also see some gusty winds with any storms that develop, particularly about those more northern parts of Western Australia. For the Northern Territory tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms are on the forecast throughout. Scattered showers and storms through the north and across the top end, but more isolated across those southern parts of the territory. However, as we progress through the day tomorrow and into the weekend, we may see some locally heavy falls through parts of the east, particularly the Simpson and Barkly districts may see some of those heavier falls as moisture is dragged in around this low pressure trough. For Darwin tomorrow, we're heading for a shower or two and a top of 32 degrees. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Have a good day and we'll catch you next time.